Supervisor to subordinate evaluations can be quite intimidating at times. By allowing employees to self-evaluate themselves, it takes the pressure off the supervisor from being the bad guy. Most people are self-aware of their strengths and weaknesses and have the ability to evaluate themselves. Trust is a major factor in any organization. Although many companies take measures to increase trust in the workplace, they might be overlooking some areas. Stephen Lynch, a chief operation officer, suggests that by simply doing things like removing locks from cabinets is a great way to increase trust and boost morale. Personal thanks goes a long way. According to Tom Peters, spending some time on the floor and individually thanking employees makes them feel valuable. Set long-term and short-term goals for every department. This will help employees break down the workload. Furthermore, by sharing these goals with the employees, they again feel part of the bigger picture and in turn may perform. Today, many companies try to motivate their employees with cash bonuses or other money-related rewards. However, not everyone enjoys more money. Companies should try to use an alternative such as a point reward system. In a point reward system, there are different checkpoints such as key milestones or individual achievements. When employees reach these milestones, they are awarded points instead of cash. They may then cash in these points for a variety of gifts and rewards. Some examples of these checkpoints would be more time off, free parking spaces, and gift cards. According to psychologist Michael McColl, people like to see progress towards a goal and feel good about it. That is why employees associate value with these gifts and rewards which motivate them more in the workplace. More motivation not only benefits the individual, but also the company as a whole.
Employees recognition. Reward system for employees. Awarding employees for their hard dedicated work to make them feel confident about their work. Reward program would show them how much more time they need to invest to get to higher points. For higher level staff to keep track of award system, they should hold meeting what works for their company, for example, quarterly, semi-yearly, etc. According to Entrepreneur.com, every company needs a strategic reward system for employees that addresses these four areas: compensation, benefits, recognition, and appreciation. And for Brownie bakers, semi-yearly would preferably work better because it is less time consuming. This strategy keeps the employees professional at job and taking company to higher success. Von Nicholson from ABC said, according to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, two of the most valuable psychological needs we have as human beings are to be appreciated, to belong. End quote. These needs are met through peer-to-peer thanks and recognition. Some of the ways Brownie Baker can recognize their employees by having employer referring other employees to recognize for their hard work. Brownie Baker sets goals for their employees to meet. All staff helping each other with success, and any kind of project contribution. Giving all staff an opportunities like rewarding means more job security for them.
Employee training. The training intensity on equipment and operations will depend on the complexity of the specific job position. Different approaches and training should be utilized because not every individual learns the same exact way. According to Carol B. Thompson, the president of Training Systems Inc., employees may learn by watching videos, classroom and instructor, computer-based programs, on-the-job training with managers and key employees, and self-study manuals. It has been concluded by our team that a mixture of all these learning techniques need to be implemented by the Brownie Bakery to be more efficient. For example, training employees exclusively on computer-based programs would be completely ineffective for individuals that do not have the knowledge of utilizing a computer, or for employees that learn better on hands-on training environment. Also, a University of Tennessee study showed that a blended learning program reduced both the time and the cost of training by more than 50%. From a managerial perspective, and taking in consideration that the company will go under major organizational changes, managers and supervisors are very important in this process. Employee performance should be monitored at all times, and management needs to make specific decisions and allocation of these employees. Buckingham and Kaufman argued that investing in your high performers and divesting in the low ones is very effective. For instance, high performers can be placed on operations that require more skills, and low performers can be placed on positions that match their talents and abilities instead of wasting resources trying to develop employees outside their ability areas.
In order to help enhance the flow of communication and break down cultural barriers, our team suggests that Brownie Baker hosts team building exercises for all employees. Team building can help create a sense of unity between employees and ease communications between upper management and lower level employees. Team building also gives employees the chance to get to know each other, which can lead to a more effective workplace.